right, here we have ourselves a 7th grade PSSA math problem, and you're not allowed to use a calculator for this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn all these mixed numbers into improper fractions, find the least common denominator, turn them all into fractions with the same denominator, add them, turn it back into a mixed number, and then 50 minutes later I'll finally have my answer. So let's write this out. 7 and 5/6 plus 4 and 1/3 plus 1 and 3/5. Now the way you turn a mixed number into an improper fraction is you multiply the whole number to the denominator. And remember that number. 7 times 6 is 42. Add 42 to 5. 42 plus 5 is 47. And then keep the denominator exactly the way it is. Now, let's add that to whatever 4 and 1/3 is. So 4 and 1/3, what I'm going to do is multiply the whole number to the denominator. 4 times 3 is 12. Add that to 1. That gets you 13. And keep it over 3. Okay? Let's give myself some space, a nice big plus sign. And then we're going to have 1 and 3/5. Multiply the whole number 1 to the denominator, which is 5. 1 times 5 is 5. Add that to the numerator. So 5 plus 3 is 8. And I have 8 over 5. Now, looking at these numbers, my least common denominator is going to be 30. There's not much I can do about that. It's going to be 30, so I'm going to deal with that the way I need to. So how can I turn a 6 into a 30? Multiply it by 5, which means I have to multiply the numerator by 5 as well. This is going to be awful. How can I turn a 3 into a 30? Multiply it by 10. Okay, so I'm going to multiply 13 by 10 also. And how can I turn 5 into 30? Multiply by 6. Multiply by 6. 47 times 5. Yeah, I'm going to have to go off to the side for this one because I don't know what it is off the top of my head using the old multiplication algorithm. 3 times 5 is 35, so write out your 5. Carry over a 3. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. So 47 times 5 is 235 gross. That's over 6 times 5, 30. I can handle that one. All right. 13 times 10, I can handle that. That's 130. 3 times 10, regular 30. And we're going to add 8 times 6, which is 48. 5 times 6, which is 30. Now, all of these have the same denominator. So when you add or subtract fractions of the same denominator, you just add or subtract the numerators, all three of these together, and keep this as over 30. So this is going to be something over 30. Now again, no calculator allowed, so I'm going to go off to the side and find out what 235 plus 130 plus 48 is, the old-fashioned way. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. Write down your 3. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. Write down your 1. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 413. So my numerator is 413 out of 30. Now what I do is, in order to turn this into a mixed number, I'm going to do long division. I'm going to see how many times 30 goes into 413. Well, 30 goes into 41 one time. 1 times 30 is 30. Subtract 41 minus 30 is 11. Drop down your 3. 30 goes into 113 3 times. 3 times 30 is 90. Subtract. And 113 minus 90 is 23. I'm trying to write it small so I don't run out of space. So I end with a remainder of 23. That's an R. remainder of 23. So to turn that into a mixed number, that 13 becomes your whole number, that remainder of 23 becomes your numerator, and the 30 that used to be the denominator is still your 30. What color was that? Purple? So purple. So after all of that, somehow I didn't make a mistake. We end up with 13 and 23 thirtieths. Nothing simplifies. That's it. We're done. Problem 1, holy cow.